Trading Forex can be a lucrative opportunity if approached correctly. First, understand the basics. Forex trading involves buying one currency while selling another, capitalizing on price fluctuations. Key strategies include technical analysis, where you analyze price charts to identify trends, and fundamental analysis, which looks at economic indicators. Risk management is crucial. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your capital on a single trade. Utilize stop-loss orders to protect your investments. Stay informed about market news and economic events, as they can significantly impact currency values. Finally, practice with a demo account to hone your skills without financial risk. For more insights and analysis, join K9 Investments for free trading tips that can elevate your trading journey.